Okay, I'm going to go for some problems on the Thanksgiving review puzzle. So number one is one of those ones that's an area on like a poster or canvas. So in this case, we have a artist who paints scarecrows. This takes up 36 inches squared, and it says that it has margins of 1 inch all the way around. And so if we call this xy, then this is x plus 2 because you have margin on either side, and this would be y plus 2 because you have margin top and bottom. All right, so what do we want to? We want to least amount of canvas. So we want to minimize, okay, step one, the area. So of the whole poster, so that would be of x plus 2 and y plus 2. And so we can say then that we have this constraint that xy is equal to 36. So I'll solve for y. Y is 36 over x. So putting that back into the area formula, you get x plus 2 times 36 over x plus 2. And then if we FOIL that out, we get 36 plus 2x plus 72 over x plus 4. And so we get 2x plus 72 over x plus 40. And then we take the derivative. That's step 3. We want to minimize this function, so we got to find the minimum. So that would be 2 minus 72 over x squared, and that's equal to 0. So 2x squared equals 72. So x squared is 36. So x equals 6. And of course, if their area is 36, then y equals 6. So we have x equals 6 and y equals 6. But it wants, first of all, it wants the total area. And so we would have to add 2. So plus 2 is 8 times 8, which is 64 inches squared. So that's number 1. Number 2. Okay, this is the limit as h goes to 0 of the sine of pi over 3 plus h minus the sine of pi over 3 over h. Okay, so this is the definition of the derivative. Okay, the definition of the derivative is limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Okay, but they have substituted x in, so you can even see what x is. So what we want to do is, they don't really want you to take the limit. This is the derivative. And how we answer these is we pull off the function. Remember doing these? And so the function would be this back part f of x. So the function is sine x, and it's at x equals pi over 3. So you don't have to take the limit. They want the derivative. Okay, this is the same thing that wants the derivative. So let's take the derivative of sine x at x equals pi over 3. And so that would be cosine of pi over 3, which is equal to 1/2. So that's number 2. Number 3. The equation of the line tangent, equation of tangent to y equals 2x plus 3 cubed at x equals -1 has what y-intercept? So it's been a while, but this is asking us to find the equation of the tangent line to this graph using this function at x equals -1. So remember how to find the tangent. You do y prime is equal to 3 times 2x plus 3 squared. Don't forget the chain rule, times 2x. Nope, just times 2, sorry. Take the derivative of the inside. So we get 6 times 2x plus 3 squared, and then that is at y prime of -1 is equal to 6 times -2 plus 3, or 1 squared, so y prime equals 6. So that is the slope, and then the point is -1, and then you go up to the original equation, and you put -1 in there, so that would be +1. So we get 1, 1. So now you write your equation, y minus 1 equals 6x plus 1. So y equals 6x plus 6 plus 1, or y equals 6x plus 7. So 7 is the y-intercept. So that's number 3. Number 4 says, what's the product of x and y coordinates of the minimum point of the function? What is the product of the x and y coordinates of the minimum function? So we have to find the minimum and find the product and multiply them together. So for f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. So we need the critical points to find the minimum. So f prime of x would be 6x plus 2. So x is equal to, let's see, -1/3. All right, so then we only have one critical point, so -1/3, and it's 6x plus 2, so that's a positive slope. So this is positive, and it asks for the product of the xy coordinate. So I have the x coordinate, now I need the y. So that would be 3 times -1/3 squared plus 2 times -1/3 minus 5. So 3 over 9 minus 2 over 3 minus, we'll put it over 9, 45 over 9. So this would be 3 over 9 plus, multiply that by 3, 6 over 9 minus 45 over 9. So you get 9 over 9 minus 45 over 9. So that would be 36, -36 over 9, which is -4. So the product x, this is equal to y, times y would be -1/3 times -4, or +4/3. Is that the right answer? Is that what I was supposed to get? +4/3? No, it's supposed to be -16. What is it? Number 4. What is number 4? What is number 4? -16 over 9. What did I do? I know it's -1/3. Let's see. 3/9. 3 times plus, oh, do I have a wrong sign? Ah, yeah. Look, this was a negative, so this should have been -2/3. So minus 2/3. So that would be, let's erase from here. Okay, 3/9 minus 6/9 is -3/9, sorry, which is -1/3. Minus, and so instead of 9 now I can do 15 over 3, so that's equal to -16 over 3, times negative 1 over 3. So there's your positive 16/9. I was supposed to get negative. What did I do? Oh, because this would be negative, so that would be end up plus. So you see, you get negative 16/9. Okay, I'll stop that video here.